How are you doing? Kamusta ang mga palangging ko? Yeah? It's Friday today. It's cloudy and cold. Here in Alberta. My Alberta, Canada. Ayan, I'm giving some nagasilos pa ang isa. Dua na lang sila nabilin pa eh. Kumaando lang. Selos pa. Give the other one. Here. Hey, that's bad. Kadamo sina brown mo yung muya kaon na ano man. Even ang hayop guys. Siloso. Mag-iinggit. Mag-iinggitan. Oh, here's for you. Hey, that's bad. My goodness. Here's our weather here in Alberta. Happy Saturday morning, Filipinas, and wherever you are, happy weekend. Take care and be safe wherever you are. Love, Lansky.